Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best blenders for homes of 2026, the ultimate machines for creating smoothies, soups, sauces, and more right in your kitchen. Whether you're a health-conscious smoothie lover, a busy parent prepping meals, or someone who values versatility and speed in the kitchen, we've handpicked the top blenders that deliver strong performance, durability, and ease of use. We'll cover key features like motor wattage, jar capacity, blade design, and cleaning convenience so you can find the ideal blender for your home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and discover your perfect blending machine. Starting with the Vitamix Explorian Professional Blender. This machine is perfect for those who demand high performance and commercial-grade results in a home kitchen. Vitamix is renowned for producing professional-level blenders, and the Explorian lives up to that expectation. It features a powerful 2.2 horsepower motor, laser-cut stainless steel blades that pulverize whole fruits, vegetables, and ice with ease, and a 64-ounce container to handle large batches of smoothies or soups. The variable speed dial and pulse setting give you full control over texture, from chunky salsa to ultra-smooth smoothie. Users praise its durability, consistent results, and long lifespan, though the premium price may be a barrier for some budgets. Overall, it's an ideal pick for serious home cooks who want professional results day in and day out. Next, the Bear 700-watt countertop blender offers excellent value and reliable performance for everyday blending tasks. Bear is a lesser-known but solid brand that focuses on affordable kitchen appliances without compromising on functionality. This blender features a 700-watt motor, a 48-ounce glass jar, and preset speed options for smoothies, ice crush, and pulse. Its compact footprint makes it suitable for smaller kitchens, while the safety-locking lid and non-slip base add convenience. Users love its ease of use, good performance for the price, and simplicity of cleanup, though it may struggle slightly with tougher frozen blends compared to higher-watt models. It's a smart choice for households that blend regularly but don't need the high-end specs of premium models. For families looking for versatility in one machine, the Composite CB08 11-piece blender delivers a full accessory set and strong performance for all-around kitchen work. Composite has built a reputation for value and feature-rich sets, and this blender's 1,000-watt motor offers plenty of torque to handle smoothies, hummus, pancake batter, and more. Included are multiple jars and lids, 32 ounces single-serve, 64-ounce main jar, and even a mill/grinder attachment, along with a recipe book for inspiration. Users appreciate the flexibility and accessories, though the additional parts may require more storage space. Ideal for families who want one blending system capable of more than just smoothies. Moving up, the NutriBullet Personal Blender is perfect for individuals or couples who want quick, convenient blending without taking up much counter space. NutriBullet is well known for its compact blending systems focused on smoothies and healthy drinks. This model features a 600-watt motor, two 24-ounce cups with flip tops for on-the-go use, and easy-clean components that allow you to blend, drink, and rinse in moments. Users love its speed, convenience, and minimal cleanup, though it's not intended for large-batch blending or heavy dough work. For busy mornings and single-serve smoothies, the NutriBullet is hard to beat. Finally, at the top of our list is the Ninja BL660 Professional Blender, the versatile choice for home kitchens where performance, capacity, and convenience all matter. Ninja is known for high-performance kitchen appliances, and the BL660 features a 2-horsepower equivalent motor, a 72-ounce total capacity, 64-ounce pitcher plus 40-ounce specialty bowl, and total crush technology to break down whole fruits, vegetables, nuts, and ice in seconds. Its preset programs for handheld extraction, frozen drinks, and food processing make it multifunctional, while the dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup. Users highlight its consistent blending power, ability to handle tough ingredients, and value for the specs offered, even though it occupies more countertop space than compact models. If you want one blender that can handle everything from smoothies to soup to food processing, the Ninja BL660 is the best all-round choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best blenders for homes of 2026. From the powerful Vitamix Explorian Professional Blender to the value-focused Bear 700-watt countertop blender, the all-in-one Composite CB08 11-piece blender, the compact NutriBullet Personal Blender, and the high-capacity, high-performance Ninja BL660 Professional Blender. There's a blending machine for every kitchen, lifestyle, and budget. Which one will you choose to elevate your blending game? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Check the description for current deals and grab the perfect blender for your home today. Thanks for watching.